There's a Ford GT and he needs to come in here. Yes, 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 no, 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 no. Yes, boys, and this is how a crowd forms. Didn't take long. All right, as y'all can hear, we made it to Caffeine and Octane for November, and we had picked a very good spot. We're a lot earlier than we usually are this morning. We are parked pretty close to a Ford Focus RS, and right next to us, we have a Mustang GT. So I feel like my EcoBoost fits in perfectly with the motor of the RS and the body of this. But look at this, bro. Look how low he is, bro. That's just fire, man. It's looking real good, man. But welcome to the vlog, guys. It is loud. Everyone's here this morning. It is extremely cold because now we are in November, but I'm so glad to see you guys. Let's see what cars we can see. And once again, I'm glad that you're able to see the Mustang again. Look at this Bentley right here. This Continental looks crazy. Look at these wheels. Most importantly, look at these brakes. Jesus Christ. This is definitely a nice, cool car. You know? Jeez. Yo, look at the interior of this Bentley. This is nuts. This is luxury like crazy. Look at that. Even the screen like blends into the rest of it. God, everything looks expensive. Everything. I like the color of it. It's like chrome, but it's like a matte chrome, satin chrome. It's nice. Look at that. Y'all look at this custom Beetle that I just saw. This one is in the very middle of the show. This is crazy. I've never seen anything like that. Look, they moved the headlights right there where the wheels are. So they did fenders and headlights at the same time. That is so cool. Look at the back. Well, you can literally see the springs just there because they didn't have no room to put anything. That is cool. Oh, Ferrari F12. Nice. I know. Absolutely nice. Always busted. We got a C8. Ooh, what's another 600 LT? Nice. We got a nice C8. I like the wheels. I like the wheels. I even like that spoiler. It looks nice. Look at this, Aventador SV in the craziest color scheme I've ever seen. Absolutely crazy. Look at that, look how low to the ground it is, Jesus. And look at the sparkle in that paint, that's beautiful. I really do like this yellow and this blue that they got going on. It's really nice. But I've not seen an SV before. Actually, at the Caffeine and Octanes, you really don't see much Aventadors. So, that's pretty crazy. But yeah, even the seats and everything, it's all yellow. Jeez. Yo, look at the back. Hold on. That looks sick. Oh my God. Yo. I love the way that the back of the Aventador SVs look. Much better than the regular Aventadors. These look crazier. But this yellow they got going on, they got it everywhere. I love it. It's really nice. And that's the owner right there. I don't know if he wants to be on camera. But he just let that kid sit in there. Probably made a century. Yo, dude, look at those wheels. That is so low. She's gonna park it right here. You know what? This is like the Senna / crazy / 50 people at a time lined up to see its spot. So this is pretty accurate. God, this thing is rare and so expensive. Oh my God, dude, the back of it. Look, it's got the flying buttresses. Look, there's literally a panel of it that just goes out to the air. Yo, Ford was crazy for making that car. That car is crazy. Oh, you can see my breath. Dude, look at the doors, the way they come up. Yo, madness. Holy Jesus. Yes, boys, and this is how a crowd forms. Didn't take long. Did not take long at all. Jesus. But that kid's confused. This thing is crazy. It's got 345 Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s on there. And the brakes look sick. But you got this white and blue, and even the brakes are white too. It's nuts. Absolutely crazy. Look at this and tell someone that doesn't know anything about cars that it's a Ford. They won't believe you, I promise. Dude, look at the front. Those vents are so crazy in person. Holy Jesus. How do you even go about replacing something like that? Or just the entire car? You can't. I mean, this thing's $500,000. Just not replacing anything like that? What do you think about it? You like it? I think it's sick. We've done it. We've seen Ed Bolian's Lamborghini Gallardo, the cheapest functioning Lamborghini Gallardo. He said it's worth $35,000. It's got the VinWiki sticker on it, so we absolutely know it's his. I just saw the video on it last night, and yeah, Jesus, this for $35K. I would say absolutely worth it. Once again, Ed Bolian is a shrewd negotiator. He's able to get these deals done. But oh man, if I can see him, I'll say hi to him. But yep, got the YouTube license plate. Yep, that's Ed Bolian.
I mean, it's not you're gonna scratch it. Alright.
Oh. Have a good day, Mr. Bolian. This has got to be one of the coolest parts about being at Caffeine and Octane. Look at this AMG GTR. So this is like the even crazier version of the AMG GT. Look at that. That's some cool wheels. But just the inside and all the carbon fiber is crazy. Look at that. The inside's nuts. The paint looks cool too. Look at that. It kind of looks mad, but when the sun shines on it, it's sparkling. Nice. Look at how aggressive the back of this AMG GTR looks. This is nuts. It's got a crazy wing, mid-exhaust. Pretty crazy. Look at that. I wonder what size tires they got. They have 355s confirmed. I've never even seen 355s. I've seen a few 345s, but 355s? Holy Jesus. Look at how wide it is on the back. Jesus Christ. Look at this 600 LT. It's my first time seeing a 600 LT, and you can tell because the exhaust comes out the top on the back. This is crazy. Stupid low to the ground. I love that. The inside has got, ooh, bro, look at the seats on the inside. It's like crazy. Look at that. Dang, this one must be a crazy sport version. And then beside it, we got a Huracan. Nice. Beautiful. Hey, yo, I followed this guy on Instagram. This guy has a bagged Charger Hellcat, wide body. This is sick. And it used to be all black, if y'all saw it in another video, but now it's a green. This looks sick. Look at that. Jesus. That looks sick. And both of these are his, the Mustang and the Charger. Alright, so we made it to the end of the meet. We are back with the car, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. We saw a bunch of cool things. We saw a Ford GT, which is definitely the craziest car of the show. We saw Ed Bolian. We saw his orange Gallardo. And we saw him leaving, which is pretty cool. We didn't see Bladed. We saw his Miata though. I know he has a Miata, and we did see that one, but we didn't actually see him. Overall, pretty good turnout. I'm pretty impressed with it. Caffeine and Octane never disappoints. But yeah, with that being said, guys, like, subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all later. See y'all.